Hi, we're the Sirax family.
We are Rob and Ali.
We're the Schultz family.
And we're here to tell you everything you need to know
about cruising with Carnival Cruise Line Australia.
Welcome to Talk About Fun.
How gorgeous is this?
You've scrubbed up okay, I
You're not done too bad yourself either.
A series chatting to families about their cruise
Got
adventures.
the kids splash park in there.
Next, we're on to go and see a little bit of comedy.
Buckle go.
Don't include that one.
Ready or not, are you ready or not? The best is yet to come.
Excellent. The timing of the cruises is also good.
Cruises and the inclusions.
This is where they have the shows and the rock shows on. Pretty much a show every night. Great entertainment throughout the day and the evening.
A lot of other cruise ships may have the amenities or may have the things available, but you have to pay extra. It's striking that balance between all the facilities and the amenities that are available that come with included in the price. So Carnival ticks both of those boxes.
Yeah, to speak on like the fun, and there is always something happening. So I love dancing. I'm always dancing. They do dance classes and there's deck parties and all that sort of stuff. So plenty of opportunities to dance.
So they had superhero night, they had the glow party.
And they also had Silent Night.
Silent night, that was your favourite, right? Yeah. So you put on these headphones. If you take them off, you hear so many different people singing different songs, which was funny, but we had a ball with that. That was so fun. Look at the elevators, Isabella. Wow.
All the entertainment is there. You know, the quizzes or just chilling by the pool. You've got spas, you've got theatre, comedy room. You could just go on and on.
There's always something going on here.
We are in the Ocean Plaza with the pirates.
Especially on the longer voyages, they also have magicians, they've got jugglers.
But they always have fun, like theme nights and things on cruise ship. We always have a dress-up night because they do elegant nights on the cruises.
This is elegant night tonight, so we've got a little bit fancy dressed up.
But yeah, there's always something to do, but I find sometimes the sea days are just as fun as the port days.
To me, I think my favourite thing about sea days is just waking up when you want to wake up. We do like to book a balcony when we can so that we just open up the doors and look out to the water. Then we can just do whatever we want. We look at the itinerary for the day, there's plenty of activities.
Carnival, again, makes that very, very easy that you just go down whatever activities are on and you just go to them at the spur of the moment. You haven't committed to any money or time. You just change your mind, and again, that takes all the hassle out of being on holiday.
You love the water slides?
And pools.
And pools. And the water parks? You and Alira love playing in the water parks together?
Yes.
We found the arcade. We're gonna go have a look. Quite a lot of games in here, actually. Oh, Joyce! 39 tickets! 150 tickets!
You can make bracelets and we have fun activities usually with everyone.
So the kids did Build-A-Bear on the ship, and that was on a sea day, wasn't it? So they went in and they got to make their bear, and it was fun for anyone could do it, so it was good. Yeah, so cute!
Very recently, I was at a mental health seminar. Everybody needs 5 hours rest per day, and rest is not sort of laying in bed sleeping. Rest is things that are not giving you stress. And on a 3-day cruise, you get that for 3 days solid.
This is where you come and chill and relax. In fact, the loudest thing here is the guy whizzing up a nice ice-cold cocktail.
I guess there's a science behind why cruising is so good for your mental health.
You don't have to think about even doing nice things. And that's, sometimes just doing nice things can be hard.
Just have to choose what your main course is. Actually, you don't even have to need to choose what your main course is. If there's two that you want, you just have them both.
I'm going to enjoy this.
It definitely attracts just families, people that are probably a little bit more relaxed and just your everyday person, I would say. There's no pressure to look a certain way or be a certain person, do you know what I mean? You can go with your kids and not worry that someone's going to be too bothered. They have day spas and things, so people tend to do that for the day.
But to go on the cruise and just spend a few hours in a spa, in a hydrotherapy pool or a steam room or a sauna, and it's like, it's just so relaxing.
The size of this, it's absolutely beautiful. What could be nicer than looking out to that view?
It's as relaxing, or it is as involved and hectic as you want it to be, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, you could stay up till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning if you wanted to, or you could just watch the television or watch a movie by the pool. It's just, there's so much variety.
I do find generally when I get home, I start to miss being on that ship almost straight away. That moment when I have to go grocery shopping, when I get back on land, and you just miss it almost immediately.